Globe's 2-in-1 Wall Sconce collection allows you to install your lights anywhere in your home using either the plug-in or the hardwired method. The plug-in installation is great for rentals, temporary layouts, and anyone looking for a quick and easy way to add beautiful and functional wall lighting. The first step is to mount the backplate to the desired location. Once fastened, install the canopy, shade, and bulb. You're almost done. If your wall outlet is close by, you may want to shorten the cord to reduce slack and visual clutter. To do so, simply remove the plug from the cord, cut the cord at the desired length, and reinstall the plug. Now, connect your plug to the power supply and you're good to go. If you prefer a sleek cordless look, the hardwired installation option is the one for you. Start by unwrapping the black electrical tape joining the wires and removing the plastic cap. Now you can remove the power cord completely by pulling it out of the canopy. Once all the wires are separated, you can proceed to the hard wiring. Consult an electrician as needed to connect the wiring, then mount the canopy. Your 2-in-1 wall sconce is now ready.